we are working with a client which is an Nasdaq listed company. They are developing, manufacturing the robotic surgery instruments, and those instruments are mainly useful for hospitals, surgeons and the patients. Those instruments are very effective and easy to use for surgeons, as well as it is easier for patients as well to get recover. Now the client is giving registrations to hospitals and surgeons. They have to register on their site. Accordingly, the trainings are given to hospitals and surgeons on how the surgery is done. As A4 technology, we are working for them mainly for test automation. They have many portals and applications where they want help in test automation, as the portals are large enough and the test case scope is also large and the release cycle is very less. So we are helping them to automate the test cases, which will help them in finally the release testing. We started with this client in 2016, near about 3.5 years back. Initially, we have done a POC for that client for one of the product, which got approved by all the stakeholders of the client, and then we automate the entire product, which involved around 250 test cases. That test automation framework and the test automation is still in use for every release of that product. They have 3 releases of that product in a year, where they ask us to execute the automation suite entirely on our side. We are also involved in release testing, and recently the production deployment support is also assigned to us. Whenever the deployment is there, we are giving support when the product is actually getting deployed at the production. We are involved in test automation of SAP as well. Recently we have done test automation of some models of SAP and SAP Ariba as well. We have achieved maximum ROI by automating manual processes of the client. Earlier, for a product, it used to take 2 to 2.5 months to complete entire release cycle, but through our automation framework, now it has reduced to 3 weeks max to 1 month. For Salesforce, our client has summer, spring, winter releases. So in each releases, we run the automation suite, we maintain the automation suite according to the newly made changes, and we give entire regression suite report to them. We find many issues through our regression suite at earlier stage, which is helping client to fix the defects at early stage. Nowadays, client has started involving us in sprint testing as well, where we write test cases for their features and we test it and we automate the same. Our test framework also supports multilingual and multi-platform. So recently, for one of the product, we have tested for 17 languages. We are working in a team of 1 PM, then 3 principal leads and 7 estates. Then making sure the delivery is on time, and also they are responsible for code reviews, whatever the team members are doing. Estates are proficient in Java programming languages. They know mobile test automation framework as well, very well. Then they are proficient in Tricentis Tosca suite, where with that suite we are doing SAP automation. We work for the client in both waterfall and agile methodologies. For agile methodologies, client has decided 3-week sprint, where they assign some user stories of test automation to our team. We come up with the test automation sprint. For waterfall methodologies, they are giving us specific time to automate the test scripts, where the scope is already defined. We just have to automate the scripts. We have daily calls with business analysts, where we sort out the issues, whatever we have in the test steps shared by them. We do send daily status report to the client so that they are updated on the progress of test automation. We also share weekly status report to the client stakeholders, which are not involved in day-to-day activities, but they should know the progress of the project. We have used Selenium Java test automation framework for web projects, PM as well as Perfecto which will cover test automation of Android, iPhone as well as for iPad. For ERP applications like SAP and SAP Ariba, we are using Tricentis Tosca suite, which helps us in automating screens in more easier way. We are also integrating our test automation scripts with client's test management tool HPALM. So whenever we are executing any test automation suite, regression suite, the results are getting updated in HPLM. When the results are updated, we are updating video URLs for the execution of the particular test case. So client can download the URL and check the recording of particular test case.